Sobrang lakas din ito nga si Pitbull Par, talagang nabugbog niya ang kanyang kalaban. Marami na pong na-knock out itong si Pitbull, no, sa kanyang kalabang niya. Naka black trunks ito Par, kung mapapanood niyo talagang kaliwat kanan na suntok, talagang nainabot po ng kanyang kalaban Par. Napapawagsak talaga yung maraming beses na Par. Let's go, panoorin natin Pitbull Crew.
Action! Sige, sige. Tuwasan. Tadi batumbau. Sit down. Kira replacement ba? Iya, kayak pas-pas 2 days na, 3 days na. Oh. It's like, that one is like 3 days replacement. 3 days replacement. Yeah. Live now, bro. 72 views na. 72 views na yun. About 5,000 views na yun. Money na. Si Pinay mo daw, about 1,000. Puno na yun. Puno eh. Mga tao ba ito ako man? Kaya lumiinom na. Yeah. Pundura pa sunod, so. Samot na na. Magsugod na nagpuno yun. That's a good bit. Knockout. Let's go. Excited. First beating. So first, like start the bill. You know. Sige. Tingnan ko kung hapit na ka.
No, Angie couldn't come. Sawyer, she had her wisdom teeth cut out, so she couldn't work. So Angie stayed there, but so anyhow, I just. Oh yeah.
Anong pilyo yung siya dula?
Cholo, the one that we went out to see his farm, he's here. Yeah,
Kapit.
I messaged Cholo and asked him, I said, have you been posting pictures? Are you in Vegas? He said, yeah.
Hello? Action. Sige. Tuwasan. Tadi batumbau. Sit down.